The Hvco from Sanjet International is a vertical and horizontal tool changing system. So I've got Allen here to tell us more. So Allen, what machines is the Hvco compatible with?
Hvco is a product for gentry type machining center and the vertical machining center. We can make tailored design for our customers. There are hundreds of systems installed with well-known OEMs on the field.
So Allen, what are the benefits of having these machines and systems out there?
Hvco presents lower noise and better energy efficiency, saves maintenance issues, and it provides smaller footprint and lighter weight.
So I know you've been making these solutions since 2002 with lots of improvements over time, but let's talk about the chain design. What improvements have you made here?
So the chain is made of aluminum right now instead of traditional metal steel. And it has the rollers to roll on the tracks by itself instead of being dragged on the tracks. So it can produce much lower noise and also provides much better energy efficiency.
And what about the chain tension then? What benefits happen from this?
We have designed one of the tension adjustment system which can absorb the force during chain operation, which won't make the chain get loosened after long time of usage, so it can save the maintenance issues.
And the dimensions, you've actually made this smaller and more ergonomic. So how have you done this?
The chain can be arranged on the magazine by many ways. However, in traditional design, due to the resistance is too high, so you cannot bend it too much. But due to the low resistance of the original design chain, it can roll on the plates and it can be operated much easier than the original design. So even if you go very serpentine way, it can still operate well. So this is how we save the footprint and save the material of the main structure.
And it's lighter too. Are there benefits because of this?
Yes, because it's much smaller. We save the material of the main structure, so it's lighter first. And the original design, traditional design of the chain and the pockets are in steel and a material called bakelite. So by aluminum, we can save a lot of weight.
And what tool options have you got available with the Hvco?
We can do BT, we can do CAT, we can do DIN, we can do HSK. Basically, every type of tools customers demand, we can make for customers.
And the tool ejection system, you've improved on this too?
The latest tool ejection system is different from the traditional design because the traditional design actually push the tools out from tool pockets. So the users have to catch the tool when it falls, and they have to put in the tool against the force of the tool pockets. In our original design, we can release the force of tool pocket so the users can take out the tool very easily and also simply put in the tools properly and then lock in the tools.
And I guess that's safer for the engineer. So in terms of quality control, what is it that your engineers are doing throughout the whole process?
In the initial stage of every product made by Sanjet, we always test every part and every component, and then we put them all together as a complete product. Before we deliver, we also perform an examine. We have an examine sheet and check everything and make sure we have put it together properly, then we deliver.
And what's the size of the range, Allen?
We can make the tool loading capacity lowest as 24 tools, highest as 160, 200, or even more.
Brilliant. There you have it, the Hvco from Sanjet International. This is a company that provide a huge variety of tool changing solutions. So do get in touch with Allen and the team at Sanjet International.